loves, welcome back to another video. Hi, if you're new, today it is going to be all about this beautiful unit from Wiggins Hair. Let's just go ahead and jump into it. As always, I love to share with you guys all the amazing goodies that I receive in my box in hopes that you guys receive the same thing. And to be honest, they had a lot of good things in this box. So Wiggins Hair, shout out to y'all because this box is bomb. This hair is a little bit short. It is a 16-inch, 250 density curly hair. Now the lace is a 13x4 and get into that lace, baby. I was obsessed. Okay, so this unit comes pre-plucked, the knots are bleached. And I just can't, like, it looks so good, so natural. Y'all was so obsessed with this unit when I shared it on my Instagram story. Y'all went crazy for it, and I had to share with y'all here on YouTube. So as always, I love to share with y'all inside of this wig. It does come with an adjustable strap, which I love. It comes with 2 combs on the side and 1 at the bottom, but I normally use scissors and I cut off the combs because I don't like the combs at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace, and with that I'm gonna be using the Ebin tinted lace mousse, and this is in the shade medium dark brown. I am so obsessed with this product, y'all. It is such an easy product to use. I do go a little heavy-handed with it sometimes, like right there I was like, ooh, that's a bit much. But the good thing is once you blend it in, it will take a minute. It does like dissolve and it does not keep the lace wet. And if it does for you, I would advise you to set it with a setting powder like what I did here. And then if you do set it with a setting powder, go ahead and set this lace with a setting spray as well, so then it doesn't transfer to your skin. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw this unit on. When I tell y'all the curls are popping, they are popping. Okay, they do not call this the popping curls HD lace for no reason, because she is that girl. I was like, okay, this is cute. This is always my favorite part of a unit is the lace, y'all. I don't play with that. This is their HD Swiss lace. Again, it does come pre-plucked and the knots are bleached, and honestly they did a really good job plucking this unit. Like, I didn't touch it. Okay, this is a perfect throw on and go type of unit. Okay, not so much go, but throw on and kind of style her, but there's no customization to this unit except tinting the lace or adding like some type of foundation powder to it so it can match with your skin tone. So that's pretty much the only customization that you will pretty much do when you have this unit in your hands. So I would say that this is perfect for beginners. If you don't want to pluck, you don't want to bleach, pretty much you want a unit that doesn't have too much to do on it, that this is the unit for y'all. I have been a little addicted to Ebin's products. I feel like they have really good hair products, well, wig products to be exact. So this Ebin Wonder Lace Bond is so bomb. It really does keep your unit in place. Now I've heard some mixed reviews on this hairspray to like glue your units down, but I like it. I actually like it better than Got To Be spray nowadays. So yeah, I don't know, the Ebin one does it for me all the time. Because this is a curly unit, I did go ahead and grab my spray bottle, and as always my spray bottle does have water and conditioner in it, and I just use this to apply it all over the unit. And I'm gonna go ahead and brush the curls out. Oh my gosh, y'all, the curls are so bomb. I'm getting less shedding with this unit also, and it's so full. 250 density, y'all, is crazy full for a curly unit. Okay, like crazy full. Oh, I forgot that I did this. I did grab, I don't remember what this product was called, but I think it was like for curl define. I really don't know. I can't remember, and it's not right next to me, but it was a good product to have in hand because it did really like help the curls look even more beautiful. But I really did not need to use this product at all. I just felt like using it. I just love the fact that I really did not need to create no baby hair with this unit at all. Honestly, I could have gotten away with no baby hair because of how nicely it has been plucked. You can get away with no baby hair. But in today's video, I wanted to add a few baby hairs here and there. And I did keep this unit on my head for some days because I did want to share, you know, this unit on my Instagram story for y'all to see it as well. But y'all, do y'all see what lace, what wig? Like, this looks so freaking natural. Like, are you kidding me? Y'all see this right now? I am obsessed with that lace, y'all. That lace looks so good. And I tell y'all, this unit was pretty easy to throw on and style. I mean, coming from a girl who has rocked many wigs over the years, this one was really fun to style and throw on. I did get like that wax stick just to get rid of any flyaways and, you know, play around with the hair. Y'all, this is it for this video. As always, I will have all the details to this unit, and in case I have any discount codes, I will let y'all know in the description box. But check out that lace, honey. Like, it's doing it for me all the time. The curl pattern is so beautiful. It's stunning, y'all. I'll have the link to this unit in the description box, so definitely check that out. It is Esther approved, and y'all go get this wig. Like, go get her. Period. I love y'all as always. Now, Penasana, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.